Please welcome Toastmaster Nanda.
How many of you have a habit of breaking New Year resolutions? That's quite a number of hands raised. That's not surprising at all. Do you know why? More than 92% of New Year resolutions are broken by the month of February itself, as per various surveys. You can go and check in Google. Why do we set New Year resolutions? And these are the most commonly broken New Year resolutions. I think probably one of them might be in this list. Where usually we set these resolutions because we want to become a better version of ourselves, isn't it? That's the intention behind setting any New Year resolution most of the time. Instead of setting a long list of resolutions and breaking it, I suggest you to go travel wherever you would like to. With fellow Toastmasters and esteemed guests, you can use travel as an ultimate personal development tool because travel helps you to learn a lot of skills at once. Let's explore, let's unravel the hidden gems of travel. Let me begin with 3 T's, starting from T. Once, Mark Zuckerberg, he spent almost a month in northern part of India to get connected with Facebook's mission, and he got the suggestion from Steve Jobs while Facebook was going through some rough patch at the early stages. Then the reality is now Facebook has more than 2 billion active monthly users. That's the power of travel. The next, test your relationship. Wherever you go, with whomever you go, whenever you go, I mean with your friends, relatives, or even a pet dog, when you go, you are bound that it is going to happen. Basically, the test of your relationship will happen whether you like it or not. Once you come back from that vacation, either your relationship will become more stronger and stronger, or it can become weaker as well. It depends on how individual handles those challenges to make their relationship stronger. Next, thankful. Many times we explore a lot of places and make a memorable trip, but we often forget to thank people who helped us, be it a driver or a guide or even a chef who prepared delicious food for you during your journey. Next, let's unravel the hidden gems with respect to our 3 R's. Usually whenever we want to travel, we have certain expectation. We want to take a picture, something like this, by standing in front of Taj Mahal and no people behind us. But in reality, this is what happens. But you can even beat the crowd and get some at least good pics. For that, you have to do some basic search on Google. How to beat the crowd and get awesome pics in front of Taj Mahal, something like that. Next, research before you travel. See, there are different ways. People, if you research before you travel, you know what exactly to do when you are there. So the time will be saved a lot. So each minute will be spent over there will be valuable. Otherwise, you will be losing a lot of time over there. So, and also, if you are prepared, if you have done enough research, if your plan A fails, you always have a plan B to take care of that situation. And of course, the third one, relax, refresh and recharge. I think many of you might have heard people who come back from vacation, they are more energized to work or do whatever they want, because that's the power of travel. Only thing is you have to find a good vacation plan and a good place to relax. Next, 3 A's. Accept cultural shock. Whenever you go to certain place, specifically if you are landing on some sacred ground, you ensure you follow their customs, local rules, so that you are not so that you are avoiding any controversies. And moreover, you can enjoy your travel vacation to the fullest when you adhere to the local rules and pay respect to their local laws. Appreciate more. We often see that many people, when they come back from vacation, they try to neutralize their taste buds by eating some delicious food prepared by their loved ones. Even I know few of my close friends, they just want to go to Vidyarthi Bhavan to eat the masala dosa to just neutralize their taste buds once they are back from some long vacation. Even for my dad, a hot filter coffee will just bring back to the normal state. Then let's see what 3Bs stands for. Validation checklist. Before you travel, during the travel research time, if you have a comprehensive checklist, what to do, what not to do, and with a detailed itinerary, then your job will become simpler while you are traveling. Otherwise, you will end up with a lot of confusion, pressure, and you have to deal with it without any choice. Whenever you are traveling, figure out whether you are a vivid traveler or a tourist. Nothing is bad. Even the way we look at the things when we go to certain place matters a lot. The tourist sees the things in a different way. The vivid traveler sees the places in different ways. So when you go for multiple destinations, try to figure out in which kind of traveler you are, whether you are a tourist or a traveler. Vigilant. Be prepared for any alerts issued by the government embassies. And also, it's nice to meet strangers whenever you go to any location, but be cautious. And specifically, if you are accompanying along with a kid, educate them and help them to understand about their personal safety while meeting any strangers. Of course, food. Whenever you go to any destination, food and travel are the best companions. And for me specifically, I love exploring delicious veg food. Now, as long as it is veg, I don't mind exploring any veg food over there. And one more thing, even if your focus is not on food while you are traveling, but food is an integral part of any travel. If you are not taking a good food, your travel will get disappointed, your vacation plan will get disappointed, and there are most likely you may not go to the same place if the food is not good. That's many surveys says that. World has a lot of adventure activities for you to offer to explore. I am glad that I did many of them, and even my wife, she recently did skydiving by conquering the fear of heights, and she became an inspiration for me too. Now I am looking for my opportunity to do that whenever possible in the future. So don't go whenever you go, just try to see and explore as many adventure activities as possible. Of course, it is dangerous and sometimes it is life-threatening too. Many people go to see some sunrise and sunsets and explore their photography skills. And my new love with GoPro, it's a device for taking action videos. So here it is recording my speech right now. 3 L's. Learn patience. First one, love. Actually, I was not good at surprising. Once we were at Misty Mountains at Munnar. It was a foggy day, early morning. I woke up and did something like this, and my wife saw the window pane, and then she felt very happy and got a warm hug. So travel teaches you a lot. Even it brings out a lot of creativity, it nurtures creativity, it brings out a lot of new things that you are not aware of. Patience. Sometimes you may be keeping some valuable items, and if you forget, or if someone is irritating you, don't lose patience. You can find your own way, and lead by example, share as many travel stories as possible, and finally, instead of setting long list of resolutions, just go and travel. Never stop exploring. Over to you.